Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel guys. So we're gonna see the where major forex will work and how they have behaved this week. You can see here guys, continuously goes on consolidation. At this point only you have to see that this is the defending area of the buyers. After that this is crossing, you have to take your shorted position. You can see that your SL will be at this position top at this red candle only where you have shorted. You can see that one sided momentum. After that also you can see here only exactly taken resistance, our first target, second, third, all target has been reached. After that here only you can see the consolidation, upside coming, downside. So what we gonna see for next week in euro versus USD is that this is the one of the major defending area guys. So this will be the defending area right now. If you are seeing like this, if it will came downside guys, once again it will surely take a support guys. Okay guys, no sentiment is negative, then it will surely take a support. Then you can expect your first target guys, this somewhere here will be a second target, third, and you can go for fourth target guys. Okay guys, if so much less possibility is that it will came downside guys. If it will take somewhere resistance, then fake breakout also happen, you can goes up till here guys. Okay guys, you can join my telegram channel too guys, I will give you link in the description. You can see that guys, our accuracy is almost 90 to 98% guys. Go and check out also, you can get it the accuracy also guys. We can see next major forex is GBP versus US dollar guys. In GBP versus US dollar you can see here guys exactly what we have discussed is that you can see here consolidation, means this is the buyer defending area guys. Always see that this is the buyer dominance area, buyer defending area. After that only this is crossing, here only red candle or somewhere here at this red candle you have shorted the position and you have to keep your SL at this position. You can see that one sided momentum has been came. Once again resistance also taken, our up till here came. You can see that second target is not reached, just missed guys, just missed. So you have to see that like this, you have to see the market guys, where the buyers are coming, where the sellers are dominating. Like this you have to see that guys. Okay, so right now you can see here this is the one of the trend line. So I will just draw it for you guys. Just like this. Okay, so right now if it slowly consolidate guys, so we gonna give very big momentum right here. So I will not do anything, just I will shift these only because these are the our target. So these are the target guys, so I will just shift this here only. If it will take somewhere resistance, then you can go for your upside first target, second, third, and fourth target guys. Okay guys, if once again it came downside and taking resistance, but downside also one of the trend line is there, so I will just draw it for you, just a second. So somewhere here only if it will take resistance, then you can go it for it. Okay guys, you can see here this is the one of the trend line. This is at right now triangle pattern. Okay guys, upside break, so it gives us very huge momentum. In upside momentum you have to track down guys, please keep it in a watch list. Okay guys, we can see the next euro versus GBP guys. In euro versus GBP exactly that only happened what we have told. I have told you here only consolidation. You can see here what happened is that at that place what happened, this is just a second, this is not broken. Okay guys, this is broken. Consolidation happened. After that this low is broken. Okay guys, this low has been broken. You have to take your position, you have to keep your SL at this red candle high only guys. You cannot keep up till here somewhere, because this red candle only judging this. So buyers, whoever sellers are there, they have to defend this area. That's why up till here only you have to keep your SL. You can see that one sided momentum came here only, you have to book your whole profit, or you have waited. Okay guys, came once again but your SL has been not triggered, goes on consolidation, came exactly taken resistance. You can see here exactly taken resistance. Our first target reached, second target, third target, fourth target. After that only fourth target only reversible has been came. You can see here exactly here only reversible has been came. So now what we have to see for next week how it will behave. You can see here guys, this is the one of the major supporting areas. What I have told you, exactly that only happened. So it will take support somewhere here. Our first target will be here, second, third, and you can expect your fourth target too. Okay guys, in downside also we can expect that if it will came downside somewhere here like this, then you can expect your first target guys, second, third, and up till fourth target too guys. Okay guys, this is the major defending area, so you have to book here whole profit. But right now you can see that our accuracy is 90 to 95%. You can check out our previous video analysis also in USD versus Canadian dollar. What happened is that guys, here something I have also drawn somewhere here only. I have told you this is the trend line. If this is broken, exactly broken, but this is the news guys. This is the news guys. Because of, you can see here guys, inflation. That's why the you know that exactly taken resistance you have seen, taken here only at this trend line, came downside at this position. However, this has been broken. This is the one of the major trend line. If this is broken, you have to take your position and keep your SL at this red candle on high, and you can see that one-sided momentum has been came, one-sided momentum. After that, you can see here somewhere here only you have to short. Why is that? Because of, you can see here guys, at previously also here only the sellers has been came once again. Okay guys, that's why we have to short our position somewhere here only. I have shorted because I have seen that at the high place here only seller has been came. You can see that one-sided momentum has. I have not captured this because I am not ready for this, because I am pretty much late. Somewhere here only candle has been making. That's why I am not captured this, but I have taken this position and my SL has been triggered. I know this. Okay guys, so somewhere here only I have shorted my position. It came once again, but my SL is up till here. You can see that one-sided movement is somewhere here only I have booked my whole profit. Right now what we have to see is that this is the trend line. Right now it doesn't make any sense right now. If this will take a resistance somewhere here, you can expect your first target, second, and you can third target up till. Okay guys, these are the three target in downside. In upside, if it will came upside momentum, then you can expect your first target, second target, this time third target also, and if this time break, then you can predict that huge upside momentum is coming in USD versus Canadian dollar. Okay guys, we can see next major forex is USD versus CHF. Okay guys, I have told you this is the continuously consolidation phase. You have to do is one thing only. You have to see here, this is the trend line. Okay guys, you have to do is that just take a shot guys. What happened if you are not so much accurate or something, so keep your lot size is very small. Okay guys, keep lot size small. What happened is that you take always of $200 to $300 SL, so you can keep only $50 SL. What happened, it will gives us very big risk to reward if it will gonna work. You can see here exactly what happened. Somewhere here only it has been crossing this area. Okay guys, so what I have done is that, because this is the buy dominance area right now, because this is has been crossing, so what happened, it's going upside, but I am trying that it will came downside, so one candle will be came, then I will keep my SL at that position. So somewhere here only I have buy, my SL will be kept here. You can see that one sided momentum exactly taken support, boom, our all the target has been achieved. Okay guys, in next week what we are gonna do is that I will just shift this area. Okay guys, right now it will maybe came at downside momentum guys. It will came downside, once again take support, our first target, our second target, our third, fourth, and fifth target guys. Up till here you can go through, or not a fifth target, just a small guys, up till here fifth target you can take it. Okay guys, in downside too we have to discuss is that if it will came downside somewhere huge gap down, no gap down will be there in forex majorly, I have not seen. So something downside has been came, taken resistance, and you can expect your first target, second target. Up till here only, if some big momentum will kill, I will definitely I tell you in the telegram update. You can go and join there. Okay guys, we can see next major forex is that, just a second guys, euro versus JPY. I have told you, you can see here it came, taken support, goes upside, But what happened? You can see here guys, double top has been made. And okay, you have not seen double top, you can see that red candle goes upside, M pattern, breakdown. You can see here that also neglected. You can see that exactly taken resistance. You have to keep your SL at this point. Our first target reached, second target, third target. All three target has been reached. Okay guys, you have to see this thing. All three target has been reached. That is the way we have to see. Okay guys, this is the one of the major supporting areas right now. So if it will once again came downside, take support, then you can expect your first target, second and third target. Okay guys, these are the three target in upside momentum. In downside, you can see here guys, take somewhere resistance, our first target, second and third target. Okay guys, these are the three target in Euro versus Japanese. This is AUD versus CHF. You can see that AUD versus CHF continuously what we have discussed is that if you can see that this is the volatility guys. If you haven't wanted to take any position, that is a smart choice guys, because here you can see that very much volatile, came downside, once again came at this point only. You can see that third time will came, it gonna definitely break and use us. So what happened, this is broken our all the up till here, we have achieved our target, we have booked our profits. Okay guys, right now we can see here this is also the one of the major supporting area, but we can expect like this somewhere like this. Okay guys, this is the one of the major supporting areas. It will act right now, it will came downside something, our first target, our second target, third and fourth target. Okay guys, these are the four target in upside momentum. In downside too we have to discuss is that it will came downside, take somewhere resistance, our first target, second target, third, fourth and fifth target. Okay guys, these are the some of the time in GBP versus Japanese yen. I have told you specifically up till here only you have to take, exactly up till here reached, came downside, our all target has been reached. You can say that our accuracy also guys. So it will has been given us fake breakdown, after that once again came and taken support. You have to take it up till here only because two target is legitimate. I have told you at this we're gonna see the GBP versus Japanese yen. Right now you can see here guys, if it will once again crosses this line, okay guys, this is the broken, then you can easily achieve your first target up till here, second target, then it will take somewhere here only support, then you can go third and fourth up till here. Okay guys, so just a second, so I will just redraw it because it has been gone. Okay, so it has to cross this, then you can go for your first target, second target, then it will take support, then you can take third and fourth too guys. Okay guys, up till here you can go through it. If somewhere I have got some opportunity, I will definitely gonna post in my Telegram channel. You can go and join there also. I give link in the description, you can join there. If it will take resistance guys, our first target will be here, second, if once again take our third target up till there, fourth, fifth target guys. Okay guys, this is all that we have to discuss guys. Hope you like this video guys. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel guys. Hope you like this video, and also if you have any queries guys, please comment me down, so I will let you know that you have any confusion about this area or something that, so I will make a special video about it, and some investor related also. If you want any specific thing or forex pair or some stock you have wanted analysis, so please comment me down, so I will let you know, let me know about it, and I will definitely gonna do the analysis about it. Thank you guys, have a nice day.